Hello? You should
Ew!
see me in a crowd.
Ew! Oh, chocolate.
I'm gonna run this up in town.
That was my phone.
Hello everyone.
Welcome back
To my lonely ass.
So guys, I'm alone. Vincent is not here right now. He's visiting his hometown, which is also my hometown. Fun fact. And I'm actually home alone, which is super rare. And it's... Why is my screen turning green? What are you doing, camera? So, what do I do when I'm home alone? I don't know. Well, I'll definitely not be going out tonight. I just had a facial. I literally don't get how all the beauty gurus be looking so good after their facials. I feel like they always come back with like super amazing, glowy, beautiful, not even a little pimple skin. And then there's me, and I had my facial like 3 hours ago. Explain, beauty gurus, explain! Guess that's what I do when I'm home alone. So what do I do now? Am I gonna go to bed? Yes. How about we cut my hair right now? I feel like that's stuff you do when you're home alone, isn't it? Where's my scissors? Guys, I can't find my scissors.
Chocolate!
This shit fucking good AF. Let's take my full ass spin. Cute. I actually wanted to grow my bangs out, but well, apparently I'm not anymore. I love that this is the first choice of stuff I'm doing home alone. Oh, that was a weird cut. Guys, I got so professional at cutting my own bangs, like you don't even know. If you want to give the Shabby Saloon a bad rating on Yelp, think twice, bitch. That was great. I just literally got bored, so I stopped doing it. Guys, it's midnight. Should we have a midnight snack? I think we should. Look, there's some boiled eggs I literally cooked 2 weeks ago. Yum. Okay, so apparently we got a lot of milk. That's Vincent's shelf and that's mine, so it has to be my milk. Why do I have so much milk? Wait, grated cheese. Can I still eat that? Is that still okay? My skin will love that. There was something on my finger. I didn't know what it was. I just licked it off. I feel like it was butter, but I don't know where it came from. And now that I'm slowly getting a tummy ache because I'm literally always getting a tummy ache after I'm eating stuff, it's time for my lava heating pillow. So you thought you cool with your hot water bottle? No ma'am, no sis, no. This is the real shit. Actually, I don't even know if it's good. Like, I haven't even tried it. My boyfriend just gave it to me today. That's tea for another day. I'm gonna try it out now. Ooh, oh, it's so heavy it doesn't even turn around. That sounds amazing. Going great so far. Well, I think she's given up on life. Ooh, she's hot as fuck. I think I should do the same she did. I love it! And now it's time for the most exciting thing ever. Let's empty the dishwasher. Let's listen to some music. So much fun, my happy ending. No happy ending for me. In the city, so that everything that I wanted. Sorry, you can't hear the song because of copyright, but I'm gonna try to sing it to you so you can literally listen to the song. You must have held your hand so tight, didn't have the will to fight. Guess you need more time to heal. Did I mention that it's like 12 AM? You never really can fix a heart. I don't know the lyrics. I'm on my way, That literally looks like a nunchaku. Ah. I'm so annoying. I will be rising from my bag. Good morning, everyone. Why does my face still look so red? Ugh. Well, that must have been a great ending yesterday because I fell asleep. My skin still looks pretty bad on this side, but there's literally not even pimples anymore. So Vincent is gonna come back today, but like late in the evening, and I still get a whole day where I'm home alone. Ugh. The first thing I want to do, well, I need to do is do laundry. And I kind of woke up feeling like I want to eat corn dogs today, but like those mozzarella corn dogs, like those cheese kind of corn dogs. I always saw them on YouTube, like on like, I don't know, mukbang channels, and I was always like, I need to do it, and I think today's the day where I want to do it. I feel like I'm gonna burn the whole kitchen, but I also really want to do it. So let's get ready, let's get productive. Good morning, it's morning. Woo! The weather is amazing actually. Oh wow. I'm not gonna go out. Look, I got the laundry bucket.
Never
had a friend like me. Guys, I can only record with my phone right now because my battery died on my camera. I don't feel like putting on some makeup because I want to feel pretty. That sounds sad, but it's just how it is. Now let's start putting on some makeup. Ay, ay. I'm also so pale at the moment, so not even my lightest concealer fits my skin shade. I'm just so sick of self-tanning. I'm just embracing my pale as red as skin. Love that for me. Let's get rid of that redness. Guys, don't you think it's like so crazy that makeup can literally make you look like you have good skin? I mean, look, it literally looks like I don't have skin problems. Do I want to apply a lot of highlight today? Am I a highlighted goddess today? Like all the Instagram beauty gurus. Am I still an Instagram beauty guru? That's something I always wonder. Like, what have I turned into? Oh, that highlighter is actually so pretty. Oh, chocolate. Let's do a quick wing and quick lashes, and then I'm gonna be looking like someone. Not even at all, but who cares? Global warming is gonna end us at someday. Anyway, let's apply some lashes. Yay! That's sad. Oh no, they're stuck to the ground. I dropped it. I dropped me lash. By the way, guys, I feel like I should bring back the lash glue song. I feel like everyone's forgotten it, but it's like so important. Putting on lash glue is the most boring thing in the world. Thank you. Then just some gloss on top, and then I'm ready to mingle. I mean, look, I was probably like a 2 and now I'm a good 7. And now it's totally time to get dressed. Do you think that's too much for going grocery shopping? Yes? Okay. What do we think about this? Is this for grocery shopping? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to show off my cute dresses. This is so cute though. I mean, I can't even open my legs like an inch, but worth it. I'm gonna wear this circus tent. So I actually just looked up a recipe from Sass ASMR, and it really looks kind of easy. Also, I'm great at cooking, so what should go wrong? Also, I think I'm just gonna put on these slides for going up because I have no control over my life whatsoever. Hi, I just got back from grocery shopping. It was very exhausting because it was so hot and I was wearing this big ass sweater and I was sweating to death. And now I'm so freaking hungry and I'm ready to make some corn dogs. 125 shashlik Spieße, a lot of oil, got some tomato ketchup and some mustard. Also got some cornmeal and some good old German Bockwürste. And yes, I feel so incredibly bad for buying this, but I got some more of this. This was literally the only pancake batter I could find in the supermarket. So that better be good because it cost me 20 bucks again. I love being a genius. This is so dumb. Oh, it's actually so easy. Oh, and also I couldn't get the mozzarella Sass was using in her video. We don't have that here in Germany. So I don't really have time to weigh all the stuff I'm using. So I'm just gonna go with my feeling. You know, a great cooking video always starts with this sentence. 1, 2, 3. Smells like pancakes. Let's prepare the cheese. That's going amazing. I think I'm also gonna make some with a good old Wiener version. Yeah. Oh my god, yes, that looks gross. Now let's start heating up some oil. I'm really scared of frying things because it's like super dangerous and I'm not the best at cooking, but we can do this. Don't throw this away because you're gonna need it later when it comes to getting rid of the oil, because you can't just like put it into the sink because no good. Well, this is gonna take forever. Why didn't I do that earlier? I think it's too thick. Oh no! Okay, so my cheese broke apart. So this is what the first corn dog looks like. Isn't it beautiful? My hand is also a little messy. Let's just put it in there. Yay! This is so sad. I'm so sorry. What even is this? Oh no! Oh god, it has legs. What am I creating? I don't really know how to get them out. I feel like some of them really need to get out, so I'm just gonna use some chopsticks. I really don't know what happened to this one. That is a beautiful corn dog. Let's get this one out, the one with the leg, you know. Ew, what is that? Ew, ew, ew. Look, this one actually doesn't look that bad. I got another piece of cheese, and this is like some hard cheese. Like, you just can't use like this soft mozzarella cheese. It's just impossible. So I'm just gonna use some cheddar cheese. Let's put that in there. Ugh, that was a lot of cheese coming out. Okay, my cheese is leaking. I don't know if that's good. Help. I don't think my chopstick technique is that good either. Ugh, ugh. Okay, so these are the creatures of Satan I created. I took the most beautiful one. I'm rolling it around in sugar because that's what you do, right? Oh god. Oh god. That is like the saddest thing I've ever seen. I also think that's just like one with a little sausage inside and not even cheese, because the ones with cheese looked horrific. Let's try it anyway. It's not that bad. Actually pretty good. I did not expect that. Wow. Now should we try one with cheese? Oops, oops. Also not bad. I feel like the mozzarella is like literally burnt. What is that? The mozzarella is really yummy actually. I feel like I ate too fast. And also this was exhausting as fuck. Like I literally thought like every second my house is gonna burn down. But all in all, I'm so impressed with the flavor of these. I did not think they would taste that good. I also feel like I kind of want to take a bath with amazing bath bombs, because that's what people do, right? When they're home alone and they want to just chill out. I usually never take baths because I'm more of a shower kind of person, or more like a not even doing anything kind of person. But I kind of feel like today's the day where I want to take a bath with an amazing bath bomb. Like, isn't that not just like so Instagram to buy like a Galaxy bath bomb? I don't have any bath bombs though. Let's go buy bath bombs. Guys, I'm driving to town literally just to buy bath bombs. Guys, I just came back home and I got some stuff, some spa stuff, you know what I'm saying. So first of all, I got 2 bath bombs and I don't really know which one to use. I mean, one is like black with gold glitter and the other one is like blue with glitter, and it's a really tough decision. But the most important thing is I totally forgot to take out my laundry. You remember me making corn dogs? The whole fucking building smells like my corn dogs.
Only you should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna run this up in town. One by one by one, one by one by one. Seh nicht ein, dass eine Welt, die so viele wundervolle Dinge hat, schlecht sein kann. Schätze und zeige ich dir. Nichts über Schätze. Fischige Flossen sind galant. Beine sind besser zum Springen, Tanzen und zum, wie heißt das? Spazieren. Wo alle gehen und nicht nur schwimmen. In einer Welt, wo warme Winde um dich wehen. Und dazu stehen und lesen und lernen, was Menschen tun, wann bin ich dran? Ich will an Land, fängt an mein Leben erst richtig an. Wüsste ich nur wie, wär ich wie sie in ihrer Welt. Thank you guys, thank you everyone. That was the laundry show by Naomijon. Visit us again. Oh my god, oh god. Okay, my laundry is finally hanging. She hung her laundry. And now it's finally time for some
I got this because it looked so disturbing. This is like a rubber mask. I don't know which one to put on. And this one, this is like black and glittery. Isn't that so cool? So amazing. Oh my god, that's so weird. I just saw that and I was like, and then I saw that. It's just that. That is not so smart. So this one is literally black with some red glitter flakes, and the woman in the shop told me that the water is literally gonna turn extremely black. So literally the same is always turning when I wash my body. And I got this one, which looks very appealing. I love the colors. I think my neighbor is drilling some stuff. Today is my spa day, stop it! I think he's literally just doing a revenge because I was singing The Little Mermaid. So let's see what you guys say. And now I'm gonna ask you which mask I'm gonna use. Wow, I'm really the queen of Instagram. Okay, so I've waited about 15 minutes and the result is 52% for blue and 48% for black. For the mask, it's literally almost the same. Blue won 56% and black glitter had 44%. Sorry, I'm filming from my phone again because my battery from my camera died again. Also, I let some water into the tub and it's literally green. That's kind of making me anxious. I swear you guys, it's not the bathtub. The bathtub was super clean. It's probably our water, which is making me even more anxious. But we're still gonna put this beautiful bath bomb in there, which is kind of making me sad because it's literally prettier than I am. Here you go, my friend. Ooh, work your way, bitch. Hey, okay, it's actually really boring. Come back, where you going, bitch? I think I threw it a little too hard, like there are crumbs down there. Okay, I think it's time to get in and put on my beautiful face mask. Ooh. Yay. Ew. I love my glowy skin. Ooh, that's cute. Yeah. Wow. Imagine you coming home and your friend sits there like, let me get into the bath. Oh, it's hot. It's fucking hot. Ooh. First of all, can we look at this beautiful glitter? It's so unnecessary, but it looks so cool. Feels like I'm bathing in my old hair color. I guess this is the end of the video. I love my toilet in the background. And it really looks so creepy. I'm just out here enjoying my day home alone. In my toilet when you have literally no friends. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Toilet, sing it for me. Thanks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love, levels.